DPR Sir, we have divided zones. First, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5. Zone 1, what I says, 21 kilometers ka hai. All these days, lots of exercise has been done. Now, the DPR is on the process, and DPR will be completed in next 4 weeks. And we are hopeful, and we are taking very serious steps that the works will begin in February, March of 2026. And we have a plan, but at any cost, the zone 1 should be completed by 2 years. Zone 1. Zone 1 is, phase 1 is 1 kilometer. अब बताया वो Anantagiri hills से 21 kilometers till Gandhi, this thing.